Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Mike here, and I'm back to do a review and did I say review? No way. A demonstration and tutorial video about how to check for straps. And if you've seen the video about me unwrapping the strap camo from orange strap camo from StrapHabits, here's the website, you can check it out. Alrighty, and then if you're going to be searching, keep it going. Okay, these are tropical retro style FKM rubber straps. You have to check out the certain size. Exactly. You got all sorts of ones, from the pro diver straps all the way up to the nylon straps, safety belt, military style straps. And then you got some rubber, full rubber ones for the Timex models, T18. For the Q Timex, which I'm not a fan of the Q Timex, to be honest. So yeah, these are the ones we're gonna be looking at. Multicolor ridge, whatchamacallit, rubber straps. Here you get, if you send your name, email address, and cell phone number, you get 10% off on your first order. Yes. Oh yeah. Here are the FKM straps. So you have all sorts of straps, but you got to measure the certain size of your watch. For instance, if you're looking at these particular ones, you got the Planet Ocean chronograph, the Moon Swatch. I'm not big on that. Tag Heuer watch, which is a Octavia one. I don't know much about these other ones. There's a Doxa, by the way, and that's an Islander. So yeah, if you're planning to get any of these, this is what you're gonna get. This is what you need to get. And for the safety belt version, if I'm not mistaken, shop now, you gotta press shop now. You gotta find the right size for your watch. Whether it be it's this 22 millimeters or 20 millimeters. That's a Planet Ocean. Heuer Octavia, part of the Tag family. A Blanc Swatch, which is very cool. I'm planning to get the one from the Atlantic Ocean edition pretty soon, but I don't know where exactly, since the one in the area at Dayland is gone. Kind of bummed out. I didn't even notice. Here is also for Doxa. Boo this Moon Swatch. I'm not a fan of Moon Swatch. So yeah, for that, and then you see the length and everything. And then you got adjustable nylon straps, additional steel watch buckle, all sorts of stuff. Vented FKM rubber quick releases. That's a Zenith watch. And you got to check out the size from 20 millimeters to 22 millimeters. All sorts of colors you could choose from. And of course, you can add, for a discount, they'll apply you with an extra buckle, spring loader deployment, if I'm not mistaken, and a spring bar removal tool, and mystery straps. And then you can have thin spring bar for any Seiko models, if I'm not mistaken. But take a look at those very carefully. Specifications and stuff. Here are the reviews. Oh, look at that. Certain people did have their watches. Wow, it's a Seiko Solar Patty Edition. And that's, I think, a smartwatch of some kind. I can't even tell. Ah, here it is. These are the ones you're going to be looking at. Or you are already looking at those. But this is one of them. That's a watch, thanks to Rad and Rob. I think about getting, but I'm not getting it now. That's the Moon Swatch. Boo. One of the Seiko Diver watches. The Blanc Swatch collaboration, very cool. Omega Seamaster Planet Ocean, you can fit. You got to check out the lug, the meters of what size is it, and they have it in 3 sizes right here. One in 20 millimeters, 22 millimeters, 24 millimeters. So yeah, check it out very carefully when you purchase one of these badasses. Oh yes. You better be extreme careful. Always measure the lug tips of your watch between here and here. And then of course you can either add a buckle color silver or a black ion on the buckle. Again, same thing as before. I gotta check a notification for that. Yeah, so this is the basic black version. There's a blue version, and then the one you saw me unwrapping. Oh, no, this is the one I got, orange camo. And here's the random Rob edition. Hold on. Oh boy, I gotta send an email. But this is the random Rob. This is the electric orange camo edition. I gotta send my email for that. Basic yellow, blue camo, red camo, black and white camo, orange camo, green camos. Look at all that stuff, y'all. Blue and black camos. You got the teal blue. Wow. So, among other things. So yeah, let's give a shout outs to first Random Rob. And let's give also shout outs to the watch collectors out there. And also to all you collectors out there. And let's give one more shout outs to the folks over at StrapHabit.com. Shout outs to you as well. So yeah, folks, if you like content like this or any other content, please click the bell and the subscribe button to be notified of all new uploads. Like the videos, always appreciate the thumbs up. So you have any opinion related to the video or such, comments down below. So, and the link will be in the description box as well. The description box will be, well, the link for this will be in the description box down below. So yeah, keep an eye out always on this video. I'm in the YouTube community. I often post what time I post videos and at a certain time. So keep an eye on that. So y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you, hear you, and see you on the next vid. Enjoy Wednesday, y'all, and later.